Hi dancers, this is Esther Julia from Boudoir Gym. This is the channel of Boudoir Gym where you can boost your fitness and femininity with showgirl workouts. And today I am going to introduce 4 basic burlesque moves that could really boost your burlesque choreography. So let's get into that. So as I said, it's 4 basic movements I will show today, and the first one, as you saw, is the grind. The best way to do the grind is from the side. Make sure that your chin is up and you're basically just drawing circles, just making hip circles. And you could do it by looking at the front as well. You could see just making hip circles, but I prefer it to do it from the side in profile. You could try to do it in the left side, right side, nice circles. That's it. So the movement number 2 is the bump. And in case of the bump, you just gonna push your hip out like very hard. You can do it on the other side as well. A great way to do it is to place your other hand on your head. I mean, I usually like doing that. And after grind, like 3 grinds, you could do 1 bump. It looks really good. So let's do 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. And then you could also try to do it looking at the front too, but I just prefer it on the side. So shimmy is another great one, and in case of the shimmy, you're just switching your shoulders, but I'm gonna come a little bit closer to make it more visible. So you just switch your shoulder back and forth. Move your shoulder back and forth. You could do it quickly. It's basically an upper body shake and obviously a boob shake. So this last movement, which is the burlesque walk, is actually the most challenging, and it is challenging to even explain it. You would think this is easy because it's a walk, but you have to think of a lot of things. The best way to do this, or one very good way, is to keep your arms on the side while you're walking, and that's considered to be the showgirl arms. But in the beginning, you don't have to keep your arms on the side. You could just leave your hands on your hips. And then you step out with your left leg to the side, move your hip to the left side. And when you move your right leg in front of the left leg, then you move your hip to the right side. And then you keep continuing. I mean, I can't continue for a long while because I don't have many space, but let's do it to the other side. Step out with the right leg, move to the right side, hip to the right side, hip moves to the right side, hip moves to the left side, step with the left leg, and then to the right again. And then back, left, right in front of the left, and then that's it. Make sure that you always move your hip to the same side which leg you moving. And as you get better, and sorry, I'm gonna go back a little bit just to have more space. So as you get better, you could use your arms, but in the beginning, maybe it's easier to keep your hands on your hip. And then other very important thing is make sure that you connect it with the ground. So you could a little bit bend your legs, obviously when you're not stepping, just to feel this connection, this groovy style. But when you step out, make sure that you step out with straight legs. So that's also very important. But however, when you're not stepping out, you could keep this closer connection with the ground. The same style you're gonna end up doing in the jazz dance too, but that's just an interesting thing. And like I said, you could use your arms. You could use your arms many ways. So many ways, which is considered to be sexy, it's considered to be showgirl arms, in my opinion. Most important thing is to have fun, feel sexy, and that's it. So this was the 4 basic burlesque moves that I wanted to show you today. This is not my last burlesque tutorial video, so stay tuned for the next ones, but for that purpose make sure that you subscribe to my channel and let's get in touch. I left the link below to my Instagram and Facebook profiles, and see you very soon. Bye bye.